My name is Ashia from Jharkhand, and today I feel so honored and privileged to be a part of this great public speaking competition in this auditorium. Firstly, I would like to pay my gratitude to all the respected teachers and lovely parents, and I would also like to pay my gratitude to all the distinguished personalities, all the versatile and amazing people sitting over here. Today, I'm not going to ramble. I'm going to speak in a very concise way. And I feel this movement of yours will be amazing. Why? Because today, I'm going to enlighten this beautiful afternoon, enlargen your thoughts and sharpen your brain with the help of my words. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to speak about who is the real you and the different ways of becoming the best version of yourself or the real you. Moving on with discussing about who is the real you. You are the real you, no matter how you look, who you like, or how you feel. So be happy for it, cause you couldn't be you if you were any other way. But if you want to be the best you, if you want to be the better you have choice. Our life is from D to D, be birth and be dead. And you know that between this B and D, we have C. C means choice. Choice of becoming best. Choice of becoming better. We have the choice of becoming the better version of ourselves. So firstly, think about the choice of becoming best. For this, you should understand yourself. You should understand that you are not separate from the universe, but the universe is in you. It means everyone has their own world inside them, and that is their universe. Let's understand it in a more better way with the help of a quotation. You are not a drop in an ocean. You are an ocean in a water. What does it mean? It means if you remove every drop from the ocean, then what ocean is? It is nothing, because ocean consists of millions of drops, and you are the ocean. You have the power, you have the energy, you can change yourself, you can change the world, you can change all your dreams into reality. But how? Don't be stressed, and ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts, because now I am moving on with discussing about the different ways of becoming the best version of yourself. When you Google out the ways of becoming the best version of yourself, you will get wake up early in the morning, as usual our mama says, sleep for 7 to 8 hours per night, do regular exercise. But please, and don't follow this, I'm not totally agree with this, and people get stuck by following these points. But I'll suggest you sufficient points which could help you in becoming the best version of yourself. Moving on with number 1. You should know who you are, because there is no one like you. And I do not mean the superficial parts. I am talking about the core of you, who you are inside, your values, your beliefs, your flaws. And once you understand who really that person is, you would have taken the first step in finding your unique self. So just you have to know yourself, that who you are and why you are. I'm pretty sure many of us doesn't know that who am I and why am I. And we doesn't consider important to ask the stupid questions to ourselves. We don't know what our strength is. We don't know our weaknesses. But yes, for being best, we should know who and why we are. So I'm going to do a small piece. First of all of you sit in a proper way. All of you sit in a proper way. Close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Take a deep breath. In, out, and just try to remove all the negative thoughts which you have in your mind. And say it to yourself that I am here to make myself. I am here to visualize myself. I am here to utilize myself. I am here to fight with myself for myself. And that's the secret of my life. Now open your eyes. Have a Now what fear itself says, face everything and rise, or forget everything and run. We have to be fearless. And the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Number 3, be ambitious. You have never arrived enough to explore the opportunities, and there's nothing wrong with being ambitious. Ambition is an important part of achieving what you want in life. Many worthwhile goals take hard work and determination to achieve. So ambition can help you stay motivated as you work toward them. With ambition, you can begin to see your vision and figure out how you are going to make it a reality. Number 4, be greedy. Be greedy for your ambitions. Be hungry for it. Don't live on someone else's benchmarks. Try to create your own world. Do not sit down and wait for the opportunities to come. Get up and make them. Make yourself valuable. Make yourself so much unique so that you don't have to say people to remember you. People ought to remember you. Number 5, do not compromise. Do not settle on your dreams. Do not downgrade your dreams to match your reality. Upgrade your belief to match your vision. Number 6, fail again and again, and then rise like a phoenix. Now what is life without a little bit of risk? Risk-taking encourages innovation by inspiring individuals to think outside the box and explore possibilities they may not have considered before. When we step outside of our comfort zone and take risks, we learn new skills, gain confidence, and discover our own strengths and weaknesses. Number 7, surround yourself with the right people who do not stab you in the back. Because when you surround yourself with people who share those same values, you not only experience a sense of belonging, but these individuals also inspire and motivate you to keep rising and give your best day after day. Number 8, you can never please everyone all the time. And the biggest favor that you will all do to yourself will be to laugh at yourself, at situations. Find a moment to appreciate every single day this funny thing called life. Number 9, don't take yourself too seriously. We are not making rocket man. Alright, calm down. Have fun and just enjoy this beautiful journey that has been put upon. Number 10, the last and the most important one. Always remember where you have come from. It's truly what defines you. Try to understand and try to follow these points. Definitely, one day you will fall in love with the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Now, I would like to conclude by saying, no matter who you are, no matter what you did, no matter where you have come from, you can always change. Become a better version of yourself. Love yourself. Say, I love myself. मुझे खुद से प्यार है. मैं अपने आपनु प्यार करती हूँ. अमीनी जपे भालोबाशी. अहेब नफ्सी. When you are living the best version of yourself, you also inspire others to live the best version of themselves. At last but not least, तराशिए खुद को कुछ इस कदर जहां में, तराशिए खुद को कुछ इस कदर जहां में, पाने वाले को नाज और खोने वाले को हम सोच रहे.